A good wall mount cleans up your entertainment setup instantly. No bulky stand, better viewing angles, and real wall space savings. Whatever your TV size and room layout, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to Unbox Daily. We test the products that actually matter for your life. Honest reviews, real testing, zero fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. The Sanus VLF728. Slim full motion is the best overall pick, delivering truly wide TV size compatibility from 42 to 90 inches, alongside a slim profile that keeps the mount close to the wall when not extended. The standout is the combination of a truly low-profile design and full-motion articulation, which lets the TV sit noticeably closer to the wall than typical full-motion mounts, while still swiveling and tilting freely when you need to adjust the angle. A real advantage for anyone who wants both a sleek look and real viewing flexibility. The sturdy steel construction handles truly large, heavy TVs reliably, and the smooth articulating arm makes angle adjustments feel effortless. The included hardware and clear instructions make installation truly manageable for a DIY project. And Sanus' long-standing reputation for reliable TV mounting hardware backs the build quality. For anyone who wants the widest size compatibility with a truly slim profile, the Sanus VLF728 is the best overall pick on this entire list. The Sanus VLF728 delivers truly wide size compatibility with a slim, low-profile design, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Full motion, close to the wall. The mount at full motion. Mount is the large TV specialist pick, delivering truly robust support specifically engineered for the largest TVs on the market, starting at 48 inches and extending up to 90. The standout is the heavy-duty steel construction rated for truly substantial weight capacities, which handles large, heavy TVs with real confidence and stability. A real advantage for anyone mounting a truly large TV where lesser mounts might flex or feel insecure. The full motion articulation lets you swivel and tilt the TV smoothly despite its size, and the cable management channels keep cords organized and out of view. The sturdy wall plate distributes weight reliably across wall studs, and Mountit's focus specifically on large format mounting hardware backs the engineering confidence. For anyone mounting a truly large television, the Mount-It full motion mount is the large TV specialist pick on this entire list. The Mount-It full motion mount delivers truly robust support built specifically for large TVs, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Built for the biggest screens. The Vogel's TVM3445 is the mid-size versatility pick, delivering truly smooth full-motion articulation, covering the most common TV size range most households actually use, from 32 to 65 inches. The standout is the combination of truly fluid tilt and swivel motion and Vogel's European engineering heritage, which delivers noticeably smoother, more refined articulation than typical budget full-motion mounts. A real advantage for anyone who adjusts their TV angle regularly and wants that motion to feel truly effortless rather than stiff or jerky. The sturdy build handles the mid-size TV range reliably, and the cable management keeps cords tucked away neatly. The straightforward installation process makes mounting truly manageable, and Vogel's reputation for premium mounting hardware backs the refined engineering. For anyone with a mid-size TV who wants truly smooth articulation, the Vogel's TVM3445 is the mid-size versatility pick on this entire list. The Vogel's TVM3445 delivers truly smooth, refined full-motion articulation, and the price in the description reflects that quality engineering. Check the link below and grab it today. Motion that actually feels smooth. The Mounting Dream. Fixed mount is the best value pick, delivering a truly simple, low-profile fixed mount rather than a full-motion design. Worth noting up front since it doesn't tilt or swivel the way the other mounts on this list do. For anyone who wants their TV positioned once and left alone without needing to adjust the angle regularly, the fixed design delivers a truly ultra-slim, close-to-the-wall look at a friendly price. A real advantage for anyone mounting a TV directly at optimal eye level, where adjustment simply isn't needed. The standout is the combination of a truly low-profile fixed design and dependable weight support at a value price, which handles TVs from 26 to 60 inches reliably without the cost or bulk of full-motion hardware. The straightforward installation keeps the project truly manageable, and Mounting Dream's focus on accessible, no-frills mounting hardware backs the value positioning. For anyone who wants the sleekest possible look at the lowest price, the Mounting Dream fixed mount is the best value pick on this entire list. The Mounting Dream fixed mount delivers a truly ultra-slim look at the best price, and just note it's fixed, not full motion. Check the link below and grab it today. Sleek and simple, honest price. Closing out the list with a Sanus Premium full motion mount, the smaller TV premium pick, delivering Sanus' refined engineering scaled specifically for the 32 to 55 inch range. A truly different size focus from the larger VLF728 earlier on this list, where the VLF728 handles truly large TVs up to 90 inches. This premium model focuses on smaller and mid-sized TVs specifically. delivering a real advantage for anyone with a bedroom, office, or secondary room TV who doesn't need oversized mount hardware built for a much bigger screen. The standout is truly smooth full-motion articulation, paired with a more compact mount body appropriately sized for smaller TVs, which avoids the unnecessary bulk of a large format mount on a smaller screen. The sturdy build handles the smaller size range reliably, and Sanus' reputation for quality mounting hardware carries through at this size tier too. For anyone with a smaller or mid-sized TV who wants Sanus quality scaled appropriately, the Sanus Premium is the smaller TV premium pick on this entire list. The Sanus Premium full-motion mount delivers truly refined engineering scaled right for smaller TVs, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Sanus quality, right-sized. If this breakdown just helped you find the right TV wall mount, tap that subscribe button. It keeps us making honest reviews every week. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right wall mount for your setup, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews every week. See you in the next one.